What is a design pattern and how do you use it in your work? A design pattern is a reusable solution to a commonly occurring design problem. It provides a standard approach, or should I say, a template that has been proven to be effective in addressing specific design challenges. Additionally, design patterns helps to streamline the design process, improves consistency, and also enhances usability. For example, in my work, I leverage design pattern by applying established principle and best practices and also adapting them in order to suit the specific context and requirements of the project. Design patterns also serve as a valuable reference and a guide for creating intuitive and user-friendly interfaces.